Hey guys, Spike here, and today I'm making another video, but a tutorial video for starters for making a game. If you guys want to make a game but you don't know how, and you don't know how to get here, and that thing when you download Roblox, and it's when you download Roblox. You have a second thing to download it with too, called Roblox Studio. That's what you need to do. But you won't have a complete download. You just have it on your computer. Right now I'm in Roblox Studio. Here's the plan to use. Here's Diamond. And yeah. And guys, once you do it, but I'll be showing you how to get on this thing later in the video. So discard. Like, if you're on a computer, it will work for you, but if you're not, it won't. So yeah. Alright. You see all the games I have? Some of them are not. Some of them are. Well, here's the Survivor Tornado game. Night. But if you want to create a game, you can create a new game. Choose anything you want. Or should we do that, that, or 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 any of these, what you like to use for a game, and then you can add more to it. Like an obby. I made an obby on my first video. I deleted that thing right there and created my very own. But it's kind of hard to do it. But I'm just going to use this for example, basically. And then name it whatever you want. I'm going to YouTube test. And you can do anything you want. Computer, phone, or tablet. Anything you want. Right now I'm just going to make it for computer because this is a YouTube test period. We want to have computers because they're a lot of money. And then you create your VIP money. I'm just going to do I'm just going to do a lot of money. Then like then you go advanced study, add anything you want. See graphic? You want to do both to see your chat bubble and your chat. But don't turn off copy walking. That will be allowed for people to copy your game. Once you're done do that, click create game. Getting me. Get back request. I'll just name it Everrandom. Random. Wait, oops, forgot. I will keep it 100. And then, great game. And there. Click edit. You gotta download it first. The Roblox Studio. You download it. Don't take that long. Then what you done, it will pop up, or just click download again. And see, guys, if you go to the library, all those free models, you can use in your game, like this. You go to my models, I got some cool models. I got one of them, but you can do some.
She's laying over there by me.
Yeah, looks like my mom's awake. But if you want to make an obby, you have to use this model. The model will be in the link description down below. I mean the video will be thing, and you have to put a script on it. Or now, look, you can play stage. So on that one. So I'll do that in the next video. But alright, if you want to go back here, once you added your model, you want admin in it, right? If you want admin, just put in admin and see a bunch of admin stuff. Bunch. But the admin I want is not in here. Search admin. Go down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. This is not it. But this admin right here, you can move it. We can move it far away from no one can see it. Of course, it's bright. So let's put it out of the map for no one to see it. Because that's a thing that no one can see. But there are some cool stuff, like a car. See? Got a pretty cool car. Let's click play. And look, car right there. Oops. But the car is already there. So, let's walk to it. But this is a realistic car. See? Huh. See? See, guys? And go off the map. But if you want that, click back. But if you accidentally something, see says C0, you can't click that forward, but you click this back, and then boom, the car is back. Oh god. Oh god. But if you want some crossover, some vehicles, you have a vehicle. pretty cool. Okay. So I kind of tired, but if you want to add some cool land to it, or some water to make an ocean, look, see, medium into massive. I'm gonna make everything allowed. To be an example, right? And click and generate. And look, see? Oops. Delete the base plate. You don't need the base plate anymore. Because you got this now. Sorry guys, it's just taking forever. And my cat got up. See, me and my cat is just chilling. Alright. Okay, once it's done generating, you do this. For example, alright? You won't actually get this, you can add whatever you want. You got a map. You made your own map, right? But if you play the game and you don't want to spawn where you're at, I will show you that. See, if you don't want to spawn here or spawn in a hole where you can't get out, then I'll show you that. But first, you go to model, then click spawn, and wherever you spawn, you can move it. Right now it's in water. I don't want it to be in water. Say I want it to be right there. And go back to home, then click play, and look, you spawn there. But if I click delete of the base plate, if I delete the base plate in the spawn, you spawn back here. So if you want to add effects, go right here, then click fire. Oop, there you go. Fire. Okay? And you want to make it bigger. I'm still wait. Size 5. No. And look, got a flaming hot fire. Then click play, and look, the fire's still there. And then look, what? Then look, got fire. And yeah, that's basically it. And if you want, guys, when you add anything you want,